Hello and welcome back to Piglets Castings. Today we are going to be turning this, but a little bit cleaned up better in this piece. Nice piece of brass, a little bit of copper. Look at that, it has some of that crap on it from just being old. It's from when my buddy Steve redid his plumbing in his basement, and he pulled out all the old plumbing and put it in the backyard. So you've seen a few tubing, that was all from him. Gotta say thank you, Steve. Really appreciate all the extra stuff you gave me.
Thanks, Scuba Steve.
We're gonna turn it into this, a nice big brass bar. But it's a hot one. I mean, even though it's in the morning, it's a hot one. So make sure you always have plenty of cool, refreshing beverages. I like soda.
Pop.
Soda.
Pop. You're such a dramatic little piglet.
It is hot. And make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe. It's right down here. I'm probably not pointing it directly at it, but I'm not very good at this because I'm new to all these videos and stuff, and YouTube's finicky. And we will be right back and show you how the melt goes. See you in a minute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Piglets Casting. Today we are going to melt down some brass. That's right, I already got a few pieces in the crucible. This stuff is, I got this stuff from Steve when he redid his plumbing. And we got the copper tubing. As you can see, I got a couple more spoons, one for copper, one for brass, and then I still got the one for aluminum. So we're not going to just use the same spoon. There's the bucket of brass pieces. Some still has to be cleaned up, but it's pretty much ready to go. We won't be using near that. And here's some more of the pieces we're going to be melting today. That's outside spigot there, and then that's part of an old faucet off an old sink. High source of brass. So now we're going to come over and turn on the gas, and everything's in my way. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, I believe I heard that whoosh go. Oh, look at that. The joys of fire. I did get my new headbands in from Amazon. They're a little bit cheaper made than I thought they would be, but I have them. We're going to try it out today, so I don't even know if I'm going to be Princess Piglet today. We'll see how that goes as it gets warmer with this heating up. It's pretty early in the morning here, so we're going to try to do it in the coolness of the day. And we'll get this heated up, and I will be back when we start melting. Well, here we are, we're back. It's all nice and heated up. It's starting to melt down. And we're going to open up the lid and throw a couple pieces in so we can see if we can get the melt on camera. not melt down with the lid open because it requires a little bit extra pressure. So well, when we do a cleanup, we will be back and we'll show you that. All right, we're back. It's all heated up. We're gonna clean it up a little bit different this time because I got that plastic handle on that, and I'm sure that's gonna start melting. But we're gonna pull it out and clean it up right out here outside the kiln. So I'm gonna shut the flame off, then we're gonna pull that out. That is a hot one. Yeah, we're starting to pull a little bit of brass out with that, so clean it up as best I can. Pulling out as least amount of brass as I can. I think I'm pulling pretty much just pure brass now. Let's get that back in the forge and heat it back up, and then we'll do the pour. There we go. Back for the pour. All right, we're back and we're gonna shut the propane off. Always shut the propane off. And we're gonna be doing the pour. Always make sure you do brass, especially brass, in a well-ventilated area. Ooh, that is hot.
Ooh.
Good thing I made these, because last time I tried doing brass, I did that.
Oh.
Thing tipped over in there when I was trying to pick it out, and I mean I had to sit there and chisel it up trying to pull it out. Yeah, that'll be a coming up video. I'll have to cut this up and remelt it. Alright, let's get this poured. Oh, look at that. Nope. I tried. Wasn't able to do it. put that back in so it cools down at the proper speed. Close the lid to slow the cool down. Ooh. That is a hot one. I'll probably give it a couple more seconds because I'm not sure if it's going to be set all the way, and I don't want it to fall completely apart. Get our squelcher ready. Get the trusty channel locks ready. Let's try this. Look at that, came right out. Oh my gosh, my gloves are on fire. Here we go. That's talking up a storm to you. Yeah, you see my new headband? I don't think they're working.
You need your tiara.
Yeah, I think Princess Piglet's going to be here to stay because that one absorbs sweat a little bit better. Holy, but Jesus, this is hot.
Pick it up.
No. The water's hot. I mean, that was actually cold water in there. No, I'm not going to do it.
Chicken.
Yes. Burn finger bad. Burn finger bad.
Smell like bacon.
Yeah, we don't want to have the bacon smell, then, well, everyone will be coming over. Thinking we're having a cookout.
I'm not making breakfast.
It is hot. Well, we're going to let this cool down a little, and then we'll be back and we'll show you the end product. Well, there you have it. That's how we do the brass pour. And make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area because brass gives off fumes. Like I leave my kiln outside, so if we're not working enclosed, make sure you have PPE on because this stuff, it is dangerous, but here's the finished product. It is perfection. It has a few cracks in there from the pour. Some nice dark on top, but that'll clean right up. Yeah, I got a buffer, and the wife says that she wants me to actually try to mirror these up.
Well, you bought it off Amazon. Use it.
So I'm gonna probably be trying to do that. If I can get that all hooked up, but probably not in this video. I'll do another video with just see if I can get this in the mirror. But look at that. That is perfection. All these little indents and rough top. That's what I call perfection. Everything that has its own unique deal. I had a friend of mine send me a message saying, well, now that I'm doing these videos, how much stuff do I have? So, even though it is, I'm going to move over a little bit, just starting, but right here.
Well, that's a lie because you have more in the house.
No, this is the stuff that I did on video.
Well, yes, but you still have more in the house.
Well, yeah,
That's not done from video.
But this right here is my stack that I'm starting from doing on video. I got the copper, the aluminum, first bar of brass. Whew. It is so hot. Always stay hydrated. That really hits the spot. Whew. So, I got this right here off Amazon. I got 3 of them in a pack, and well, these are not very good at holding sweat. Maybe for the normal person they would, but I'm a sweater. Like, not the type that you wear, just that I sweat a lot. And towards the end of when I was doing the pour and everything, that stuff was just streaming down into my eyes. It was making it hard to see.
I'll get you a new tiara today.
So we're going to probably be going back to the Princess Piglet. Just because it has my little crown on the front top. But that's our melt for today. So until next time, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. The more people that do the thumbs up, the more people YouTube tell or sends the impressions to, say, hey, watch this video. So that's you making that decision, helping YouTube make that decision for me. Hit that subscribe button. It is right down there. Yep, right down there in the corner. And we will be back with another melt in an upcoming video. Until then, see you later. Bye.